Good day friends, and welcome to another YouTube video. In this video, we are going to dig deeper into the world of drone businesses, so let's get started. A drone business is a company that utilizes unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs, to offer a range of services and solutions across various industries. Drones have revolutionized numerous sectors by providing cost-effective and efficient alternatives to traditional methods. These businesses typically offer services such as aerial photography and videography, surveying and mapping, inspection and monitoring, delivery and logistics, and even agricultural applications like crop monitoring and spraying. Operating a successful drone business requires a combination of technical expertise, regulatory compliance, and a deep understanding of the target market. The company must employ skilled drone pilots who can operate the UAVs safely and capture high-quality data or visuals. Additionally, the business must navigate through the legal and regulatory framework governing drone operations, ensuring compliance with local aviation authorities and obtaining necessary permits and licenses. Building strong relationships with clients and effectively marketing the services are also crucial aspects of running a drone business. By leveraging the capabilities of drones, these businesses offer innovative and efficient solutions that can significantly benefit various industries, leading to increased productivity, cost savings, and improved safety. To get started in the drone business, you can follow these steps. Research and learn. Begin by familiarizing yourself with drones, their capabilities, and the regulations surrounding their use in your area. Study different drone models, their features, and their applications across industries. Understand the legal requirements, such as obtaining licenses or certifications for commercial drone operations. Acquire necessary equipment. Invest in high-quality drones and accompanying equipment that align with your chosen niche. Consider factors such as flight time, camera capabilities, payload capacity, and durability. It's essential to have backup batteries, spare parts, and a reliable ground control system to ensure smooth operations. Develop skills and expertise. Enhance your drone piloting skills by practicing regularly and honing your ability to capture high-quality footage or data. Consider taking courses or workshops on aerial photography, videography, or mapping to improve your technical capabilities. Create a business plan. Develop a comprehensive business plan that outlines your goals, target market, marketing strategies, pricing, and financial projections. Determine your pricing structure based on factors such as equipment costs, operating expenses, and industry standards. Identify potential clients and create a marketing strategy to reach them effectively. Establish a professional network. Build connections with professionals in your chosen industry, such as real estate agents, construction companies, or agricultural organizations. Attend industry events, join relevant associations or groups, and leverage online platforms to connect with potential clients and collaborators. Ensure safety and compliance. Prioritize safety in all your operations. Stay up to date with the latest regulations and ensure compliance with local aviation authorities. Maintain proper maintenance and inspection schedules for your drones to ensure their optimal performance and longevity. Provide excellent customer service. Deliver exceptional service to your clients to build a strong reputation in the industry. Respond promptly to inquiries, communicate clearly, and exceed customer expectations. Encourage feedback and testimonials to showcase your professionalism and reliability. Remember that starting a drone business requires dedication, continuous learning, and adapting to evolving technologies and regulations. By following these steps and staying committed to excellence, you can establish a successful and thriving drone business. That is all for today's video. If you enjoyed this content, consider giving us a like as well as hitting the subscribe button for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.